Wine grapes are a complete farm system. We need to understand how the grapes interact with soil, water, rain, temperature, climate, and everything. And one of the things that these sensors have helped us do is build a better understanding of how this farm system interacts. I'm Andrew Beebe, and I'm the viticulturist here at Roeder State. Normally, we would be out in the vineyards on a weekly basis monitoring stress with a pressure bomb tool, which takes a lot of samples. So what these sensors do, it'll allow me to remotely understand what's happening in the vineyard from a soil basis and a plant basis. I can open up the app on my cell phone, pick which block I want to look at, and then I can get a relative indication of, okay, you can see a trend forming. It'll tell us like, okay, irrigate at this time to prevent us from getting to that level of stress that we don't want to go past. Being able to do that remotely, just on an app, takes that particular labor out of the field. So soil sensors are probably one of the most important things in sensor-based technology. The sap flow sensors show one part of the story, but there's a whole different part of the story going on underneath the ground. If your sap flow sensor is showing a stressed vine, but there's water in the ground, there's a completely different set of problems that may be going on. So what we have here is the sap flow sensor right next to the soil sensor. The great thing about these sensors is that they're not intrusive, they don't interfere with tractor movement or hand management practices. With the sap flow sensor, we have sensors that are actually plugged into the permanent parts of the vine, and then we also have some of the sensors that are actually plugged into the green tissue. That's per plant. So if you have, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules in one block, you're getting reliable information about what the stress level is in your block. There's a volumetric estimate of how much water a day that is being used by the plant. That gives us an idea of how much water that we would need to put into the soil. We can cut off 1 extra irrigation a year. It does save money in aspects of fruit protection and also fruit quality as well. Maintaining moderate levels of stress has shown to improve a lot of parameters in wine grapes, and Telefarm helps us do that.